Hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're eating some Subways. Alright. Okay, so today I went with tuna. Tuna, I had it before, it was pretty good. I usually get the Philly cheesesteak. That's pretty good too, but today I went with tuna. What you got?
I got my all-time favorite, teriyaki.
Oh yeah, teriyaki. Yeah, that's always a hit. Teriyaki. What's you guys' favorites?
And it's pretty heavy.
Yeah, mine's is pretty heavy too. All right, let's open it up. I got some chips, some Cheetos, and Cool Ranch.
I got a hole in my bag.
Yeah, I got a hole in my bag
I
too.
ripped it now.
Okay. Yep. All right. So this is tuna. Kept it light, simple. Lettuce, tomato, onions, and added jalapeños to it.
I got the whole 9. Lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers. I see they put spinach on here. Onions, pickles.
The whole 9. The whole 9.
Yeah, basically
Banana
everything.
peppers, jalapenos.
I think so. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I'm gonna take a bite of my tuna. Cheers.
It looks so floppy compared to mine.
Good. The jalapeno gives it a little kick. I get the from Jersey Mike's, their tuna. Their hookup, when you hook up their tuna, is pretty good. How's yours?
I got them
Saucy?
yeah, I got the teriyaki sauce and the sriracha and one more that I don't remember.
I wish they put more tuna in it. But what? It's Subway's.
Mine's just pretty good. As always.
Yeah, that's your go-to.
Cool Ranch.
Should I put some chips in my tuna?
Try it.
I think I'll put the Cool Ranch.
Hey, we're both going for the same one.
I'll put the Cool Ranch chips.
And it's pretty heavy. Pretty heavy.
That's pretty good. I don't think I need to do it. Need to put chips in it. Maybe on a turkey, maybe a turkey sandwich or anything. I'll put the chips on it. But yeah.
Pretty good. I've seen the viral Jersey Mike's sandwiches going around.
Oh yeah.
The pregnancy one. BLT. Unfortunately, I can't get that. It's pork bacon.
If you get the sandwich without the bacon, we could cook our own bacon, put it in the sandwich.
For real.
This is some good soda right here. Cream soda?
So
Oh man. Who remembers these sodas? Whoever drank these sodas. Was good. Would I get the tuna back again?
I probably have to just pay for extra tuna.
Probably not.
No, you don't like it.
It's okay. I think I can make my own tuna sandwich.
Usually half will fill me up.
Yeah. I usually eat half and then save the half for tomorrow. It's good. It's alright.
Saucy. Very saucy. In a good way. Do you guys like Subway?
I think it all depends.
I hit or miss.
Subway, Glen Mike's, any other sandwich shops. I remember back in days, you go to the deli, you get your turkey sandwich. It used to be what, $2.50 for one of them big turkey sandwiches, bag of chips.
Now you're gonna smell like fish.
I gotta go shower after I brush my teeth. Excuse me.
It looks good though.
Yeah. Crunchy. Looks good. Tastes good. It was bomb.
Nice and cold. You need to go in the freezer.
Oh yeah, get that slushiness.
Ooh.
That half sandwich actually filled me up. I don't think I could eat a whole sandwich though.
I think once I did.
I think you have to be in the mood. You have to be in the mood. You have to be hungry. Right. Excuse me. Yeah. Pretty good. Most likely I eat this tomorrow. It'll be good. Yeah. This is good. Save mine for tomorrow. You're not done yet?
Would you like a chip? Okay.
One chip.
Which one?
Cheetos?
A big one. Pretty crunchy. Okay, guys. I'll finish up. My sandwich was busting.
Yeah, my tuna was okay. It was good. I would probably I should just stick to my steak sandwich. But like I said, with the tuna, it's a hit or miss. It's yay or nay. You have to be into tuna. Which one does it better? Subway's or Jersey Mike's? I know Jersey Mike's you could hook it up. Subway's you could hook it up too. But I feel like Jersey Mike's probably give more
Excuse me.
more variations or something like that. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Peace.